How's it going, everybody? Mark Mason here with Mason Company Roofing. What we're doing today is going to point out some inspection that was done by an insurance company, and we're going to make an attempt to repair this. They did not pay for full replacement, but we said it could be repaired, so we're going to attempt that and see if it can actually be repaired. So if you look over here, you can see these white chalk marks down here on the shingles. These are shingles that the insurance company has deemed damaged and need to be replaced. More over here. So on the back slope, we've got approximately 20 shingles that have been marked. Down here on this slope, there's a few more that they did not mark. We got one here. Here. And I saw another one there. Damaged. There's a couple on that slope they didn't mark. There's also a couple over here. They're damaged. You see the damage based on this crack here. That's from the shingle blowing back and forth in the wind until eventually it breaks and then it'll fall off. There's also more over there. Got another 7 or 8 damaged shingles. They're either broken or completely flown off. And on the total back, I think they marked about 20, 7 or 8 here, and there's a couple more damaged there. So today, again, we're going to attempt to try to repair one of these damaged shingles to see if it's possible. It's my opinion that it's still too brittle and too damaged to be repaired. So we'll take a look and see what we can do. All right, so we're here on the back of the roof. The insurance company has deemed these 4 shingles here to be damaged and need to be replaced. So we're gonna start on it and see if we can just at least replace one shingle without damaging the shingles in front of it. So first thing, we're gonna start with prying this up. See where the shingle stops at. It's right here. So this, and this is one shingle. This tab here starts the next row of the other 3 shingles. So the first thing you gotta do is come here, pop these loose. And then we're gonna try to, without damaging these shingles, replace this one. And when you do that, you have to also replace this one here, or come take this loose, I should say. So then once you've gotten it loose, come up here and you try to replace the nails. These are actually staples. These staples, you gotta replace the shingle without damaging this here. So you got that, throw that out of the way. Then you take your new shingle, try to slide this up in here. Try to at least. So it's hitting this staple here. So you actually gotta come up here and take that one out. So we can slide the shingle all the way back in place. Okay. Then you gotta come in here, pop this loose. This back here. All right. Now this is where we kind of tell if this is too brittle, is if I can pull this back without damaging it to get a nail in it. don't want to put a nail in the seam. The problem is, so I've got this shingle replaced, but as you can see right here, see these cracks right there? This is where I've damaged these shingles from bending them back right there. Now I can glue this back down, but these shingles have been damaged there, 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 and there by me flipping this back there to try to put a nail in it. You see how the crack isn't here, but it's right here? That is from pulling the shingle up to try to put a nail in it. So I can go through and try to replace all these shingles, but I'm just gonna continue to damage the roof as I go.